Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank with Kathee Coco. We are staying at Sand Hollow State Park Campground, and today we are doing our first and final walkthrough and expect, if everything looks positive, we will close escrow on the new house in the next few days. Kathee is riding passenger in that gray Tacoma just ahead with our real estate broker, Stormy Bulloch. Stormy operates Century 21 First Choice Realty in Cedar City and has been assisting us since our first visit to Cedar City, the first of the year. Stormy is very knowledgeable and covers the southern Utah area and is our real estate broker in this deal. Stormy has been very pleasant to work with and has made this transaction go very smoothly. We would recommend Stormy for handling your real estate needs and can be contacted at 435-590-3030. We are excited to do the walkthrough and really love this area. We are convinced this is a better place to be. So come along and form your own opinion. We would be interested to hear your thoughts.